Hey folks, Kersten Luts here and welcome to Platypod TV, where innovation never sleeps. Today we're checking out the brand new Platypod MAG, a super compact, brilliantly versatile tool designed for creators, vloggers, and really anyone who uses a smartphone. And that's pretty much everyone these days, right? Now, if you thought the grip was cool, you've got to check out the brand new MAG. It's MagSafe compatible, gives you full access to a USB-C port, and mounts in a snap. No clamps, no faffing around, just click and you're good to go. Working from your desk? Whether you're jumping on a Zoom call, live streaming or recording content, this setup is perfect. Pair it with the Platypod Basic and Disk for a rock-solid platform, pop your phone on in a split second, and plug in your mic, charger or SSD without any hassle. Cooking up content? Well, in the kitchen, the MAG really shines. Mount your phone overhead or from the side for hands-free recipe shots or videos. With goosenecks, elbows and clamps, you can build a rig that grips just about anything. No mess, no stress, just press record and let the food do the talking. Out and about, set the MAG up on any surface, no matter how rugged, connect your phone charger, chat with your mates, or vlog on the fly. And yes, we have tested the magnet. You can give it a serious shake and your phone's still hanging on. Pair it with the Platypod Delta or Extreme for grip that doesn't quit. Just want to chill and watch something? Whether you're hanging out with a friend or binging Netflix solo, the MAG and grip combo holds your phone at the perfect angle. Great for tutorials, recipes, or just kicking back with your favorite show. Now you might be thinking, but my phone's not magnetic. No worries. The Platypod MAG ships with 2 magnetic rings and ultra-strong adhesive, so any phone can join the party. Create your way, charge while you shoot, connect your gear. Stay in the zone with Platypod MAG and MAG Grip. There's no faster way to snap your phone into action. Check out more ideas right here on Platypod TV, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and creative inspiration. Until next time, keep creating.